When they asked the spokesman a question, he asked the teacher, commentary in a harsh tone as explained. So even maybe I am just adding from myself. Maybe this teacher even heard the question, but I guess this. I mean the original question from the students, but this spokesman can improve the question. Right? Maybe he knows exactly this person better on this or that, so he can improve the question and tell it to a teacher. Okay. The teacher in turn replies to spokesman, and spokesman replies to the questionnaire out loud that other can hear. So, as we always say, you have a question, so it's better to ask in a class. I mean, at the end of the class or in the middle of the class, if it's on the subject, so other people can hear. Why? Because people many times have the same question, right? But not everybody can ask or won't ask. So if you ask, so you're actually doing a favor for other people as well. So continue. Teacher should not raise his voice above that of the spokesman. Okay, so the way I see, if he is a spokesman, so let him do his job. He has to speak loud. So the teacher, okay, maybe he has also loud voice. Okay, so keep quiet. Let them listen to one voice only. 24. The case of Mishnah cites Brachas 45a, which quotes the manner in which Moshe relayed God's words at the giving of the Torah. It says Exodus 19:19 as a source of this concept. Nevertheless, others note that the passage in Brachas refers to the one who translates the Torah, Mitargaman, translates the Torah, reading for the people, and not necessarily relevant to the situation at hand. Rather, they suggest that the description of the use of the spokesman in the passages cited above serve the source of the idea. So just to remind us, many times people gave Moshe an answer, right, to get back to Hashem, right, their answer, and Moshe would go and tell Hashem the answer, right? So Rashi asked on that passage, said what Hashem did not know what was the answer, if he is described as the one who can hear the hearts of the people, all of the hidden thoughts. He's aware of all of the hidden thoughts of the people. And now, but what did they answer in a voice that he did not know? Like, how does it make sense? Right? So, and Rashi explained that's a proper etiquette, right? So Moshe sent, Hashem sent Moshe to talk to the people, give the message. He went to people, gave the message, and they gave Moshe answer. So he took the answer and brought it to Hashem. Hashem knew? No, of course he knew. But that's the proper procedure. That's what they trying to refer here, right? That's one of the sources. Similarly, when a spokesman asks a question of a teacher, he should not raise his voice above that of the teacher. Okay, so very soft also. Commentary is a mark of respect and deference. So that's very, very important. Even though he's the one who is speaking, so it looks like to us, right? So we sit in the crowd, right? So it looks like to us that he's talking, but and it can, right, the spokesman. So, and it can get into his head that he's such an important person, and all of the people came here to listen to words of the Torah because of him, which is not. They came because of that rabbi, not because of him. Right? So, as a mark of respect, so he has to speak very softly, not louder than the teacher. Very interesting.